Hello everyone, I got a request for a rock cliff landscape painting, which is what we are going to paint today. Stay tuned till the end to see how it was done. Welcome to your favorite art channel, ArtEWorld. As usual, I am marking out the basic line work following the thumbnail sketch with the help of an HB pencil. The thumbnail sketch is displayed at the top right for reference. Making such a thumbnail sketch beforehand helps us to give a better composition and also to understand the values we will need to bring in the painting. This landscape has a pathway in the center flanked by rocky cliffs on both the sides with some trees and bushes here and there. This basic line work will not be in too much detail but only to mark out the positions of the various elements like the rocks, the pathway, the trees and bushes, etc. All the details will be taken care as we progress with the painting. If you are painting along and find the speed of the video too fast, you may lower the speed in your settings. So let's finish the line work and then begin painting. Now that we have finished the line work, let's begin painting. We are beginning with the sky, for which we will use ultramarine blue. This will be a simple graded wash with a darker hue on the top and towards the left and lighter as you move downwards. For this painting, we are considering light coming from the right, and so the right sides of all elements facing the light will be in lighter values and left sides which are against the light will be in darker values. For more such watercolor techniques, you may watch my videos on watercolor techniques later on. The links to these videos are given in the description. The material list and shopping links are also given in the description. For the background, we are using lemon yellow and sap green. Some video footage of the pathway was lost, sorry about that, but basically the paints used are the same as those used for the rocks. And for the rock cliffs, I am using intermittent shades of raw sienna, burnt sienna, raw umber, ultramarine blue and some black. Now for this tree foliage, we are using sap green and some burnt sienna. For the bushes, we are using lemon yellow and sap green. And for this tree, we are using intermittent shades of sap green, raw umber and ultramarine blue. As usual, these are only the base layers. Now the details will be painted in subsequent layers. Now that the base layer is done, let's refine each and every element in darker values. While doing this, we will have to take care of the light direction as mentioned earlier and throughout the painting process. To paint light values facing the light, we'll be using more diluted colors, whereas to paint the darker values which are against the light, we'll use more of the pigment and less amount of water. Let's paint some moss in light green and sap green and some flowers in orange here. So keeping all these things in mind, let's proceed in refining each and every element in darker values as per the light direction. Let's paint in some distant mountains in light values of magenta and ultramarine blue here. Let's paint the shadows in magenta and ultramarine blue. In order to bring out the texture on the rocks, it's best to use the dry brush technique. Watercolors have a tendency of appearing light after drying, and so we may have to paint in several layers until we get the desired result. You may comment below as to what was your favorite part of this video. In case you are painting along, do post your work by tagging me on Instagram. I would definitely like to see how this helped you. You may also comment below what other landscape or any other theme you would like to see. You never know, it could turn out to be our next viral video. Coming back to the painting, let's add some finishing touches here and there. This painting turned out to be quite challenging, isn't it? But enjoyable all the same. As always, this is an impressionistic painting, and so we need not add any photorealistic details. So that's it, our painting is done. Hope you liked it as much as I enjoyed painting it. If you liked it, do like, subscribe and share it with your friends, and don't forget to leave your valuable comments too. There are many more similar videos on this channel. You are most welcome to enjoy them too. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.